If you're asked to find the area of this shape, now what do? Now look at the shape closely. You can see that the shape is made up of two semicircles. The major semicircle from this region down here and the minor semicircle. So the area of this shape will be the difference in the areas of these two semicircles. So how do we calculate it? So first of all, what is the area of a cycle? The area of a cycle is given by the formula pi r square, or you can have pi d square over 4, where r represents radius and d represents diameter. So now if you look at the major semicircle, or the semicircle, the bigger one, you can see that the diameter of the semicircle is from this point down to this point. So the diameter of the bigger semicircle will be the total length, 6 plus 8 plus 6, which is what? 20 centimeter. So now let's calculate the area of a cycle having 20 centimeter. So the area will be what? We're asked to take pi to be 3.14. So we have what? 3.14 times d square. Well, since we're having diameter, it is now suitable for us to use this formula. Is that okay? So d square, which is 20 square, all over what? 4. Yeah. So we have 3.14 times 20 square is 400 divided by 4. So if you do a division, 400 can go, 4 can go here 1, 4 can go in 400, 100. Now you have 3.14 times 100. So how do you do this? Now since you have 100, you can move the decimal point twice and cancel these two zeros. So you have what? 304. Now this is the area of a cycle with diameter 20 centimeter. So how do we calculate the area of the semicircle now? This major semicircle will be half of this. So the area, we can put it as half of this semicircle, will be what? The total area, or area of the circle calculated, 314 divided by 2. So our area is what? 157 centimeter squared. Now we have calculated the area of the major semicircle. Now we have to calculate the area of the smaller semicircle. So what will be the diameter of this smaller semicircle? You can look at this point from here to this place makes the semicircle. So this is the diameter. So the diameter, can call it as d, is equals to what? 8 centimeter. Now let's calculate the area of a cycle with 8 centimeter. It becomes small a, because it is smaller than this, is equals to what? Pi 3.14 times d square, using the same formula. Our d now is 8 square all over 4. So which is what? 3.14 times what? 16. Sorry, 8 square is what? 64 all over 4. Now you can cancel that. 4 can go here 1, 4 can go here what? 16. So now 3.14 times 16, if you do this, it's going to give you 50.24. Now this is the area of a cycle with diameter 8. So the area of this semicircle now, I call it a half, is equals to what? 50.24 divided by 2, which is what? 25.12 centimeter squared. So that's the area of the smaller. Yeah, that's the area of the smaller semicircle. So we've gotten our areas of the two semicircle, the major semicircle and the smaller semicircle. So what will be the area of this shape? So the area of this shape now will be the difference between the area of the bigger semicircle and the area of the smaller semicircle. So what do we do that? It's going to be 157 minus the smaller one, 25.12. So what we're going to have what? We do this subtraction, 131.88 centimeter square. So that's your final answer for the area of the shape above.